log in to your Monday.com CRM. In the Twilio Message History module, click on the Automate icon. Next, click the Create Automation button. Click on When this happen. Now choose when status changes to something. Then click on the status icon. Now select the desired value. Now click on the Send Twilio WhatsApp reply option. This will connect you to Twilio to send WhatsApp messages. Click on the WhatsApp reply message field and type the message you want to trigger. Next, click on the WhatsApp number field and choose the Twilio WhatsApp number. Then, click on the recipient's number field and select the required value. Click on the Create Automation button. Here you can now view the created automation. To test it, change the status to any value to run the automation. In the bottom right corner, you'll see a notification showing that the automation was triggered. Click on the notification to view the run history. Here you can confirm that the message was successfully sent.